Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator. To begin, select a small, easy-to-handle aircraft, like a Cessna 152. Familiarize yourself with the primary controls, the joystick or yoke for pitch and roll, and rudder pedals for yaw. Start with short flights between nearby airports to get a feel for takeoff and landing. The world map offers over 37,000 airports, so there are countless places to explore right from the start. Mastering the essential flight controls is crucial for smooth flying. The ailerons control roll, the elevator manages pitch, and the rudder handles yaw. Your throttle adjusts engine power, directly impacting your airspeed. Practice making gentle turns by coordinating aileron and rudder inputs. Pay close attention to your altimeter, airspeed indicator, and heading indicator in the cockpit. These instruments provide vital information for maintaining stable flight and navigating accurately. For longer journeys, effective navigation and autopilot use are key. The in-game flight planner allows you to set your departure, destination, and waypoints. Once airborne, engage the autopilot to maintain a steady heading, altitude, and airspeed, reducing your workload significantly. Learn to follow navigation aids such as VORs and GPS waypoints to stay on course. Always keep an eye on your fuel gauges and other aircraft systems to ensure a safe and successful flight. Once you are comfortable with the basics, challenge yourself with advanced techniques. Experiment with dynamic weather, from clear skies to stormy conditions, and fly at different times of day or night. Practice challenging approaches, including crosswind landings, which require precise control. Engage with the air traffic control system for a more realistic and immersive experience. Finally, explore the vast array of community-created add-ons and aircraft to expand your virtual aviation adventures even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.